USD August future series closed at 74.37 on Friday. Let's talk about support and resistances level for the coming week. So, as a Monday was a today was a holiday, so the week would only be of 4 days, and I think there is one more holiday coming in between. So the this week would be 3 days week. Please note this point. Currently, the immediate resistance would be 74.450 in August future series. Then next immediate resistance would be at 74.6364 kind of a numbers. 74.30 has acted as a good support throughout the last week, shall also remain as a good support in case we are opening flat or gap up tomorrow. So 74.30 shall remain as a good support, and immediate support would lie at 74.23. If we look at the hourly candlesticks, mostly the currency is trading into sideways manner. So the days range are 10 to 15 paise at max. If we see at this kind of a level of 74.56, when we were expecting a breakthrough on upper side, there were a lot of doji candles have been created at hourly candlesticks, which shows a neutral position or as a win-win situation for buyers and sellers. So this would be a key number to watch for this week, 74.56. How the price action will be created this week at that number can decide a good momentum, and we can gauge the monthly expiry based on that. Talking about dollar index, after touching a multi-month high of 93.1020 kind of numbers, it fell very sharply from those numbers. So currently it's trading sideways. So let's see how things shapes up. Whether dollar is able to breach 93.20 again in coming days and give a breakthrough to 94 levels, or is it going to fall back to a comfort zone of 92 92.50 kind of a numbers that we need to watch out for. Let's look at the options data. So options data suggests that 73.75, there is a good number of options have been bought for 73.75 kind of a strike prices. There is a good number of put has been bought at 74 numbers. Looking at the call data, decent spike in the 75 calls have been seen for the August 20th expiry. Talking about Nifty, it was a miraculous bull run, I would say. Even today, Nifty was up fairly 33 points to up to 50 points when everyone was expecting a fall. Today also it was a constant and a steady up move. Only key thing to watch out for, falling Nifty can contribute to a depreciation of rupee, so that thing need to be taken into a consideration, because after such a bull run there would be some correction can be seen. I post most of the updates on a live basis on Telegram channel, so you can just search USD INA space classy trader in Telegram and you can join the channel. Thank you so much guys for your time. If you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.